Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to the Zero to Hero embroidery series too. In this episode, we would learn how to embroider letters using backstitch and we'll create a satin flower with leaves. There are 6 petals here. In alternate petal, we will use cream yellow. In the other 3, we will use lemon yellow. I'll start with this petal. So using satin stitch, this is how I have finished this petal. So in this and this, I'll use the same cream yellow color. In the remaining 3, I'll use lemon yellow. So instead of doing this cream yellow here and here, I did it here. So I'm changing the color code. So these 2 will be darker yellow, that is cream yellow, and these 2 may be lemon yellow, and these 2 are red. Let me do fishbone stitch for these leaves. I'll do French knots in the center portion. I'm doing back stitch for all these lettering. Simple pattern is done. Now you can also recreate it. Thank you for watching.